In college, tests may cause the following reactions. And on days like those, you just have to sweeten up your day by making cake.
In the microwave!
And in 30 seconds.
To make peanut butter cake in the microwave, you'll need 1 overfilled tablespoon of flour, a half teaspoon of baking powder, 1 egg, 1 tablespoon of white sugar, and 1 of brown sugar. It tastes so great when you stick a spoonful in your mouth. A single drop of vanilla extract, 2 tablespoons of peanut butter. Place 1 egg into a mixing bowl, as already shown. Place in your flour, and then your white sugar, and then your brown sugar, and then don't forget the baking, and then the peanut butter, which could be a little messy, and then 1 drop of vanilla extract. Mix thoroughly until it's all consistent. Next, you can place the batter into a cup or ramekin, it really doesn't matter, as long as it doesn't overflow.
I've already done so much. Can someone please do the next part? It's so hard to microwave!
Microwave for 30 seconds and watch the magic rise. And if you want to make some glaze, use 1 tablespoon of powdered sugar and a half teaspoon of milk. Mix thoroughly. Take the cake out of the microwave and dabble the glaze on. So don't wallow in self-despair and enjoy. Or you can just scream and vent like we did earlier. And don't forget to leave a comment, like this video, and subscribe for more awesome recipes.
I look yellow. Wait, I have to get really sad. What's so funny?